In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your Qolsys wireless door and window sensor PG9303. This sensor is compatible with these panels and requires one 3-volt CR2450 battery, available for purchase on myadt.com. You'll know it's time to replace the sensor battery when you hear a beep from your panel and a notification dot appears on the top right of your panel's display screen. Click through the screens to view the low battery message. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT monitoring center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your Qolsys panel or your touchscreen. To get to the battery compartment, you'll need to remove the sensor from the mounted backplate. To do this, insert a coin, a nickel works best, into the notch on the end of the device. Give it a twist and the sensor will open. If you don't have a coin handy, use a small flathead screwdriver. Just insert it into the gaps on the long side of the sensor and gently twist each side. Once open, separate the sensor from the backplate to reveal the battery compartment. You may hear a tamper tone or see a message on the panel. Don't worry, this is normal. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, wedge the small flathead screwdriver under the used battery and pop it out. Wait 10 seconds. Then insert the new battery, sliding it at an angle with the positive side facing up, pressing down until it fits into place. Now, attach the sensor to the backplate by aligning the tabs on the cover with the two sides at the end of the backplate. Slide the sensor on and press it until it clicks into place. To clear the tamper alert and stop the beeping on your Qolsys panel, tap the message icon in the top right corner. Tap Alerts and Alarms. Tap Acknowledge All to select and dismiss all alerts. Then tap OK to close confirmation. Pro tip: before exiting, make sure the low battery message has been resolved for this device. Then, swipe right to exit the messages screen. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your Qolsys door and window sensor. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.